All right, number 10 is a bonus question. If you get it right, completely right, you get 3 points added to your grade. If you get it just partially right, you'll get 2 points. And if you even try it and you get it wrong, you still get 1 point. But if you don't attempt it, no points. So here's the question. Do 3x and x plus 8 have the same value? That's the key word, same value when x is 5. So we're going to see if they have the same value when x is 5. Are they equal when we simplify them and put in a 5 for x? Will we get the same answer? That's what we're looking for. So when I see the x, I really want to put in a 5 right there, and I'm going to change that 5, and notice it's not 35, but I'm putting a parentheses around it now, so you know it means to multiply. We want to see if they are going to be the same exact answer after I simplify them. So on the left side, 3 times 5 is 15. Does that equal 15 on the right side? Well, on the right side, I've got 5 plus 8, and that is 13. These are not the same. So do they have the same value? No, no, the values are different. Values are completely different. One is 15 and one is 13. That's what you can write down for that. For part B, we've got 3x and 8x. Are they equivalent expressions? Well, we've talked about equivalent meaning equal. Are they equal? 15 and 13? No, they're not equivalent expressions. They're not equal. No, not equal when x is 5. Not equivalent. They have to have the same value when you simplify them and get the very same exact answer.